this dark energy which was holding me back, because I can see that dark smoke around you very clearly. So that dark energy will go on its own. Why it's hovering over you is because you have the kind of capability that no one has. You hold the kind of vision in your family for the people around you or for yourself which no one ever have. So it's like, it's Saturn's way of creating the delays. It's Saturn's ways of creating the test in your life, so that you can finish that test and then you can move up to next level. So it is very similar, like that is happening in your life. It is very overwhelming. You may want to cry is wonderful. Crying is wonderful way of letting the negative or the a dark energy go out of your life. If you wish to cry, you should definitely cry. You are recommended here to rest and to meditate. As much as you rest, as much as you meditate, it will be wonderful for you, okay? And this will not only help you to let go of that energy, it will also help you to achieve something which from your lineage no one was ever able to achieve. Okay, let me give a good shuffle to this deck again. Yeah, I can see you wanting to just sit by yourself, not do anything about it. Just think over it constantly. Just overthink about it. There's this deep, darkened energy that I can feel. But that's fine. Even if you want to do that, you're not able to, do what is supposed to be done, then it's okay. See the bottom of